Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today we're going somewhere new and you guys are gonna get ready with me. Dior Beauty really does have a lot of products that I enjoy, and over there at Dior, they believe that gifting is an art. And I love that. My mom really took gifting seriously. She's one of those that when she gets a gift, she really puts a lot of thought into it. And the packaging, when she wraps a gift, she wraps a gift. She makes the bows and she's really good at like art and stuff like that. And so because of that, I really like to put effort into giving gifts, and Dior is a really great destination for that. When you order from Dior with some of their makeup products and fragrances, you get free engraving when you spend at least $125, and they have complimentary shipping. You also receive 2 complimentary samples with every order, and they have gorgeous packaging. Currently, they have a promotion. If you spend at least $130, you get a free gift with purchase using the promo code MAGICQ3. This promotion does end on September 30th, so everything I mentioned today, I'll have linked down below in the description box for your convenience, and I'll also pin it in the comments. So let's get into this makeup look and find something to wear. Okay, socialites, so we're gonna start off with the unboxing. This is how the box comes, so it's very much inconspicuous. In case you guys were wondering, how does the order come? Is it something that would draw a lot of attention? So I love that it comes in this sort of box. So it does come with a card on top of the box, and this is just like your receipts and or packing slip. And once you open it, there is a card. So you're able to include a customized message for whoever you're sending it to. I did send it to myself, and the note just says smile. So when you order from Dior, you do get free samples with every order, and it comes in this little pouch, which I think is so cute. I do take these little pouches with me out of town sometimes and store like skincare in here. So I got quite a few samples this time. So you do get 2 complimentary samples of your choice, and then you do get a free miniature size gift with a $100 purchase. So I picked out the new J'Adore L'Or, and this is the one that you've been seeing all over social media with Rihanna's the new spokesperson for it. This one is J'Adore Infinissime. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this one right. And this one is the alcohol-free J'Adore Parfum. As the free miniature, I did get a Dior serum and also Lucky Parfum. I think this one is with their Privé fragrance line. So for the meats and potatoes, you guys, I did order a Dior Beauty set. So it's in this beautiful navy blue box. On the back of it, it shows you what you get in there. So it comes with this really cute denim bag. It's like a makeup bag with this cute little star on the side that Dior is known for. So what comes in this set is a Dior mascara, which I've never tried Dior mascara before, so we'll be testing this one out today. It also comes with this lash primer, so we'll try the primer first before we go in with the mascara. And then it comes with this lip glow balm. I love this. I'll definitely be traveling with this next time I go out of town. And next, y'all, I picked up a palette that I have been looking at for years. And my girl uses it on her channel, and I just knew I wanted to pick this up eventually. I don't know why I hadn't, but this is the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. I think it comes in 2 or 3 different palette shades, and I picked up the deepest one, which is this one. So it comes with 2 strobe colors And then supposed to be 2 blushes, but this one you could probably use as like a blush or bronzer or something like that, like a glowy, shimmery bronzer, more like a glowy bronzer than anything. This is what they look like. The few people that I've seen use it, it looks so good on their skin. So let's swatch them. So this is what they look like. So it's more so not really shimmery, but it gives you that beautiful sheen. So we're definitely going to use that today. And last but not least, I did pick up a fragrance, and this one is the Dior J'Adore Parfum Dior, and this one is the one that's alcohol free. So this is what the bottle looks like, and let's see. This is so cute, by the way. I don't have any of the J'Adores. Very light, almost like water. Ooh. Gardeny, fresh, soft, a little sweet. But more than anything, you smell fresh florals. Quite nice. I think this would be perfect for spring. Okay, so let's get ready to go, you guys. I wanted to try out a new restaurant here in Houston called Lombardi's. I've heard great things about it. I think it's like Italian cuisine, and the place looks really cute online, like very aesthetic, you know what I mean? So let's start off by priming our skin. I'm gonna use a combination of 2, and I've never mixed these 2 before, but it's the Forever Glow Veil from Dior and the Forever Glow Star Filter. So the Star Filter is one of their newest sort of glowy liquid products. I think it came out this summer. So it's very much golden like highlighter. And this primer I love to use with Dior's foundations, and it gives a little bit of glow to the skin as well. But with this one, it's one of those that's almost like clear, but it leaves a little sheen left over on the skin. So if you use something that's full coverage, it will cover this up, just FYI. So I'm gonna mix these 2 together, and this is what I'm gonna prime with. We'll put just a tiny bit on the forehead because we don't want like a super glowy forehead. So for foundation, I'm gonna take my favorite Dior foundation, which is the Forever Natural Nude foundation. Dior actually has some really amazing complexion products if you hadn't tried them yet. I have all of their foundations, but this one is actually my favorite. It's like a sheer to medium coverage, and it looks very natural, hence the name Natural Nude. My table mirror that sits right here in front of me broke I want to say like a week ago, and I had to get another one. You guys, it's so big. I love it. It's almost like I feel like I'm doing my makeup in the bathroom because it's so big. This is the mirror I did not know I needed. I love it. I already know in the sun, like when I go in natural sunlight, that glow is it's gonna be gorgeous. So we're gonna see if we can catch some pictures outside today. So my favorite concealer happens to be by Dior. It's the Dior Forever Skin Correct. So I'm gonna go in with 2, a darker one, and then a lighter one right in the inner corner. So I'm gonna put a little bit more lip oil on. This is my Dior Lip Oil. This one is in the pink shade, 001 Pink. One of the best lip oils on the market, to be honest. Do a little cream contour. So let's go ahead and powder our face. I'm gonna do a very understated, soft eyeshadow look because I really want to test out this mascara. Comment down below if you've tried the Dior mascara before. So into our Dior Backstage palette, let's try the darkest shade. Ooh. It softly blurs the skin a little bit and then gives sheen. So let's try just a little bit of the pink. A little bit on the pale side. So my favorite blush from Dior is actually the 001 pink. So let's see if we can layer this together to get a little bit more payoff. Okay, so let's try the lash primer. The primer is really giving length. And this is the Diorshow Mascara. Now, one thing I wish that Dior would bring back is their stellar glosses. When I tell you they were my favorite, since then they've come out with some new ones, but y'all, this was my jam. Put a little bit of the nude one on there. These are almost empty, sad to see them go, so I'll be picking up some of the new formula pretty soon. Everything I mentioned today you can pick up on diorbeauty.com. I will leave all of the links in the description box as well as pinned in the comments. So let's go ahead and get dressed. Okay, y'all, so this is the fit. I just have on a blazer dress and I put this mohair short sleeve sweater on top of the dress. Nude sandals with the matching handbag. For the fragrance, we're gonna do my new J'Adore perfume. So let's go.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars.